Mm.
Idea, power.
Although I have a vision of where I want to go, I'm not planning anything. Parang for me talaga, age is just a number. When I was young, I was living a very uncomfortable life.
So what's next for Tito Baby?
Fear will always be there.
Exactly.
Diba? So, love, matagal-tagal na ito, yung mga nakakailang beses na si schedule, parang sumatuloy-tuloy yun.
Correct.
Dahil lang, you know, you're booked and blessed, and booked
You're
and blessed.
booked and
And,
blessed,
you know,
yes.
Thank you for that. Yun, I'm happy to be here, and I love the place, what you did to the place.
Papaitan. Pero anything else for this one? Ito, kasi medical mo.
Good. I'm from my cardiovascular check. Kasi actually, mataas ang cholesterol, diabetic, at saka some medication, then advertising. I'm a creative in advertising industry. Tapos I started my own restaurant after.
Oh,
Yeah.
nagluluto ka. Ikaw yung someone. And your problems are always somebody else's problem.
True.
Problema ng kliyente, problema ng consumers. When you do freelancing, such as travel.
Filthy joke that won't burrow in the corner of your smirking lips. I want it to this day. The story we won't tell is my greatest fantasy.
Siyempre, recipe ko yan eh.
Para sa'yo yung alam ko. Kahit wala ka na.
It's for these moments like this that you really, really work it. And I know connect with God because when you realize the God of this thing, dinaya ako.
Yeah.
Dinaya tatay ko. Sabi, I need one more semester. So I could take the other courses. Okay, of commerce. But I'm not commerce. So there I
25,000 dito sa Basta Cafe. Hello guys! Mag-ingat!
Sobrang nakulan tonight, pero andito sila ngayon.
Tapos sa Zoom,
82,000.
Forget ka na lang.
shout out kay, alam mo na,
ano, 105 years old ba?
Alam.
Philippines cinema.
No, it's more than 100 years. I imagine about 104, 105. Oh man, how old are we? Oh, 105, okay, alright.
105 years old na yung Philippine cinema. Siguro isa dun sa mga gusto nating malaman, sir, ay ano ba yung mga stark difference talaga ng paggawa ng pelikula dati at ngayon?
Oh my God. Ang laki. Okay, I'm gonna compare Philippine cinema before, Philippine movie making before. When it was a mom and pop. Andiyan ang Seiko, di ba? Andiyan ang panong pa, meron pa inabutan pa ng Tagalog ilang nawala. Nag-iba naman ang dito. Kasi basura ang ginagawa. Tapos ang Philippine movies, let it die.